Hello and welcome to my channel. In this brief tutorial, I'll guide you through one of the easiest methods for creating a popular glitch transition in Premiere Pro. This is especially helpful if you're new to the technique or seeking an alternative approach. The explanation takes longer than the actual process. Once you've learned the tricks, it'll only take a few seconds to execute. Let's preview what the glitch transition will look like once you've mastered the technique. Now, let's dive in. To get started with the glitch transition, you'll need two essential elements, a clip with a glitch and a glitch sound effect. You can easily find royalty-free clips and sound effects on various free stock sites. For example, on this website, search for glitch, select videos, and browse through the options. Choose a suitable clip and download it. Don't forget to check and comply with the license terms. Repeat the process for the glitch sound effect. Search for glitch, select sound effects, and explore the collection. Listen to the options, choose one, download it. And, as always, check and adhere to the license. Now, let's move on to creating the glitch transition in Premiere Pro. Import your clips and sounds into Premiere Pro, arranging them on the timeline to create a sequence. Place the clip with the visual glitch on the timeline above the area where you want the transition. It doesn't necessarily have to be between two clips. In our case, we aim to create a transition between two clips. Next, drop the glitch sound effect onto the timeline under the desired transition area. Zoom in on the clips to better visualize the working area. Now, cut the video clip and adjust the sound effect to match the length of the video clip with the transition. Clean up any unnecessary leftovers. Let's preview what we've achieved. As you can see, the transition is already in effect. You can leave it as is if you're satisfied, or to enhance it further this way, create a gap between your video clips. Insert your transition elements into the gap. Connect all parts on the timeline to eliminate empty spaces. Check what we've got. For those pursuing perfection, an additional step to make the transition even smoother. Zoom in on the working area and apply the cross-dissolve transition from the Premiere Pro collection. I have preset the cross-dissolve transition as my default transition, making it easier for me to apply this transition. This is how to find and use the cross-dissolve transition. Go to Effects. Type Cross. Locate the cross-dissolve transition. Grab it, and place it between the parts in your working area. Click the brown rectangle inside the clips. Go to Effect Controls, and adjust the transition to cover the area between the parts. Clear the transition part on the audio track if present, although it's not critical. Now, let's see the refined result. Feel free to play with the length of the cross-dissolve transition and effect controls to achieve the desired outcome. This concludes the tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, hit that like icon, subscribe for more, and share with someone who might benefit from it.